Coiled makes it easy to run Python code at scale in the cloud. Coiled has many APIs that you can use, but they all work in roughly the same way. You specify the hardware you want. Coiled inspects your local packages, files, and credentials. Coiled then launches hardware in the cloud with that same environment. You then connect to that hardware and run your code at scale. Coiled provides different APIs you can use on top of this infrastructure, including serverless cloud functions, DAS clusters, Spark clusters, CLI jobs, interactive notebooks, and much more. With Coiled, you can also track your historical work, correlating performance metrics, code, and logs, making it easier to track down errors or costly inefficiencies. You can also see approximate cloud costs for each workflow, both from you and from your colleagues. You can also track costs and usage across your entire team, seeing who's using the platform and how much, organized by user or across teams. If you find something that you don't like, you can constrain individual users or teams, or add new ones easily. Coiled gives you visibility and control over cloud computing that's easy to manage and requires neither extensive cloud training nor cloud certifications. It's easy to set up and runs directly in your cloud network, so your data remains secure, allowing you and your team to quickly get to work and move swiftly. Coiled is a super lightweight and fun way to use the cloud. If you want to try it out, navigate to coiled.io/start. It's easy to install on your computer, and creating an account is trivial. I hope you have fun.